Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So dito na kami sa Cebu. Ulit galing kaming buhot kahapon. May baba na rin namin yung mga materials doon. Kali meron pa natira dito para sa Crimson sa may Mactan. Baba na namin yan and then kuha kami ng glass ulit sa Asia Team. Tapos uwi ng Bacolod. So yung glass na kukunin namin para sa Boracay pa yun. Tignan pa namin kung ano yung mga pwede pang ikarga sa Bacolod para ibiyahe ng Boracay. So bali itong kay Hing, so dito lang din naman to sa Cebu. Baka karga na lang din to dun sa Hilux. Pupunta yun dito mamaya para ikarga namin to bago kami diretso ng Mactan. Ito na lang din naman yung aming ihahatid. So wait, antayin na lang namin yung aming kasama para magkarga ng material na to para kay Hing. Oo.
Guntay ka ba?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me